Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is balanced diet. Balanced diet means that helps to maintain good health throughout the life and reduces the risk factors and health conditions and diseases. So whenever we know about the balanced diet, first we discuss or we know about the nutrients. What is nutrients? Nutrients, they will helps to give energy, growth, repair and physiological functions. Nutrients will also divided into two parts, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macro means in a large amount and micro means in a small amount. Macronutrients means proximate principle of food. So we define the macro. So we know about the first term is a proximate. Proximate means अगर हम लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो प्रॉक्सिमेट मीन्स हमको चाहिए ही चाहिए इन अ लार्ज अमाउंट. इन अ लार्ज अमाउंट मीन्स टू से कि प्रॉक्सिमेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रॉक्सिमेट इज़ अ सेंटर और अ कोर विच इज़ नियरर टू द बॉडी. I hope you understand the meaning of proximate and in a large amount, and micronutrients will accept in a small amount or a less amount. So macronutrients are a proximate principle of food. In this we describe in a four components, like number one, carbohydrates. Example of carbohydrates like rice, sugar and flour. Proteins, lipids like fat or oil, and nucleic acid which is considered as a genetic material. I hope you all know the example of genetic material or a nucleic acid is a DNA and RNA. Okay, and then we describe in a micronutrients which is also known as protective principle of food, who will helps to protect the principle of food in a form of vitamins, minerals and water. So in a whenever we talk about minerals, they will also describe or are divided into two parts, macro elements and a micro elements. Macro elements which in a form of greater 100 mg per day. Macro elements which means in a body, which components involved in the body in amount of greater 100 mg per day, and micro elements which comes in the body in a form of less than 100 mg per day. मैक्रो एलिमेंट्स में हमारे सोडियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, फॉस्फोरस, sulfur, chlorine. These are the elements which will comes under the category of macro elements, and micro elements copper, zinc, iron and iodine etc. They are comes in the category of micro elements. So I think you all know the term nutrients and differentiation or a division of macronutrients and micronutrients. So balanced diet, this will contain an adequate amount of all the nutrition. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर हमारा बॉडी जो है वो बैलेंस डाइट में नहीं होगा तो हमारा बॉडी प्रॉपर फॉर्म में वर्क नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट. बहुत सारा डिजीज़ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बहुत सारे ऑर्गन डिसबैलेंस हो सकते हैं, ऑर्गन का फ्लक्चुएशन हो सकता है, जो एलिमेंट क्वांटिटी हमारी बॉडी को रिक्वायर होती है वो प्रॉपर फॉर्म में नहीं होगा तो हमारी बॉडी डिसबैलेंस फॉर्म में रहेगी. सो मस्ट बी कंटेन अ बैलेंस डाइट इन अ प्रॉपर फॉर्म और अ डेली बेसिस. So a balanced diet contains an adequate amount of all the nutrients required by the body to grow, remain healthy, and a healthy balanced diet provide the necessary energy requirement. So protect against vitamins, minerals and other nutritional deficiencies and builds up immunity. if we taken a balanced diet in a proper form, then it will helps to build the proper immunity to fight against the viruses, bacteria or diseases also. So next we discuss about the 7 essential components of a balanced diet. So what are the 7 essential components to helps the balanced diet? Carbohydrate first. It provides the energy which should constitute in a form of 50 to 60% of diet. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारे बॉडी की डाइट में होना चाहिए वो 50 टू 60% होना चाहिए, जिसमें हमारे होल ग्रेन्स हो गए, ओट्स हो गया, होल व्हीट हो गया, लेग्यूमेंट्स हो गए, ये सारे हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में आएंगे. देन प्रोटीन विल हेल्प्स टू बिल्ड द मसल्स एंड डेवलप द स्किन एज वेल एंड हेयर फॉर अ हेल्दी हेयर, एंड इट शुड कॉन्स्टिट्यूट इन अ डाइट अबाउट 10 to 12% ऑफ content. Sources of proteins are egg, nuts and seeds, seafood, beans. Then fat. If we talk about the fat, so we had just misconception regarding the fat that fats are bad for our health. It would be like it would be a best form if you choose healthy fat, as fats helps to maintain our body temperature and helps to absorb fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. So sources of healthy fats are avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil and fatty fish. Next है हमारे vitamins which was very essential for our body to survive the life. Sources are fruits, vegetables, seeds and nuts. Next we minerals. Minerals helps to release the energy from the food and to promote the growth of organ. Some essential minerals are iron, calcium, potassium, iodine and sodium. So taken a minerals sources are fish, meat, beans, cereals, nuts and seeds. These are the minerals who will helps to release energy from the food to give in the body. So it will helps to promote the growth of organ and develop the organ to survive the healthy life. Next fiber. It helps in a digestion, so it also helps in lowering cholesterol level, which was a main factor regarding to contain a different type of diseases related to a liver or different organs, and controlling sugar levels. Sources are fibers are oats, dalia, beans, whole grains, nuts and seeds. And last or a major or a very important component is a water. Whenever we take on a water in a healthy lifestyle, so we take on a daily basis at least 8 glasses of water, so it hydrates our body and it is used in our body functions to maintain the healthy lifestyle. So I think today's information you liked it, so kindly share my channel, subscribe my channel and comment on my channel. Thank you.